It almost tastes like fluffy, like whipped cream, but smooth, extremely smooth, like heavy cream on top of hot cocoa.
That's too many calories.
Okay, this is for my sister here because she's calling me and telling me that's too many calories, right? And I'm like, you don't eat that many scoops. She only has like maybe 2 scoops. I think there's 10 scoops in here. Regular, you can see this scooper. We're gonna count this. And then we're gonna do the math. Can we just appreciate how creamy that is? Look at this. 3. $14 scoops. Let me do the math. Here's the math. 14 scoops. That is 31.4 calories per scoop and 4.2 grams of protein per scoop. Huh? Beat that. If you guys are not using the Ninja Creami for weight loss, you are totally missing out. This here is a Ninja Creami Deluxe machine. It actually makes ice cream, but it makes protein ice cream. And you guys know I've been hitting the gym and trying to lose weight. I am down quite a bit of pounds, but this is what's helping me with my sweet tooth. And this is what I bought. I bought all of the protein powders to try different flavors. We're gonna make one right now. 2.5 cups of Fairlife fat-free milk. This has 13 grams of protein per cup, so we're gonna get 200 grams of protein right here. It's just milk, guys. It tastes amazing. But it's less calories because it is the fat-free. So we're gonna do 2.5 cups. Just trust me on this one. We're gonna get cream cheese. We're gonna do 1 ounce of cream cheese. How do you figure out what 1 ounce is? All of them come with the lines that tell you the ounces right here. 1 ounce. That's gonna add 90 calories. So we're at 290 calories. And we have 2 grams of protein. Ghost Oreo whey protein. This is 150 calories and 25 grams of protein. It smells really good. Enhance the flavor by putting a little bit of vanilla in there. Just a splash. Like that. I want to make sure I get all my minerals. I'm going to put just a pinch of salt in here. This is Celtic salt. You can use Himalayan salt. It's just going to enhance the flavor. Now you can be done at this point, but I'm going to add some allulose.
Allulose is a rare sugar that occurs naturally in fruits like figs and raisins. It is different from other sugars because it does not cause a rise in blood sugar levels. This means that foods with allulose have less of an impact on blood sugar levels than regular sugars.
I like my ice cream to taste sweet. I don't want it to taste too much like protein. So I put a tablespoon of this in here. You can actually do I'm actually going to do a tablespoon and a half just to make sure that it's sweet enough. Tablespoon and a half. This is completely optional, but I find that it makes the ice cream so good and so flavorful and sweet. I need that sweet. Since it has the cream cheese in here, we have to get a blender. You can put it in your regular blender. I have an immersion blender. Trust me, I love this one by Cuisinart. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious. That is so delicious. That tastes exactly like cookies and cream, just more smooth. So delicious. Later, and that's what it looks like. Check that out. It is hard and it looks very, very icy. Let's go ahead and put it in the machine. So the wonderful thing about this machine is that there's so many options. You can do a creamsicle, frozen drink, slushy, shake, Italian ice, frozen yogurt, gelato, sorbet, light ice cream, and ice cream. Let's do ice cream. Push the button. Let me tell you the math really quick. I did the math. Fairlife milk, 2.5 cups. That's 200 calories, 32 grams of protein. Cream cheese, 1 ounce. That's 90 calories, 2 grams of protein. The Ghost protein pack right here that you see is 150 calories, 25 grams of protein. Aloes, 0. Vanilla, salt, no calories, right? This whole thing is 59 grams of protein. Now, you can see it's not mixed very well. I've heard that you have to put a little bit of milk into it after you've blended it the first time. But let's try it like this. Grab a little bit. Freaking goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my Lord. Oh my gosh. Let's add that splash of milk so that it distributes evenly. I'm going to kind of make a hole in the middle. Just a little bit. Cool. Let's do light ice cream setting. That's 4 minutes. Oh, night and day, guys. Night and day. Look at that. Let's try it. Wow, look at that. Do you see the fluff on that? Look at that. So freaking good. 59 grams of protein and 440 calories. But come on, are you really gonna eat the whole thing? We only do like 1, 2, 3 scoops. You're not eating 4. I mean, if you wanted to eat the whole thing, you could. Now, you can add Oreos into it. Now, that's gonna add more calories. And what they don't tell you, let me tell you what they don't tell you. When you make protein ice cream, you always have to reblend it because it freezes like a rock. I'm gonna go ahead and put 2 Oreos in here. It's about 106 calories. Hole in the middle. My kids are picky little kids, or picky kids. They're not even kids, they're grown adults. But they're not gonna eat it unless it looks appetizing. And they're gonna think this is just vanilla ice cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and just mix a bunch of this so that when they open it, they could be like, ooh, Oreo ice cream, Oreo and cream, or whatever. We're gonna put mix in, full mix in, mix in. And then it goes really slow. While this is mixing, guys, did you know you women are supposed to have half of your body weight in protein? So yes, it's really hard sometimes. Sometimes I have a struggle. I do struggle with getting my protein in. And if you have a sweet tooth like I do, this tastes amazing, amazing. Come on, 59 grams total of protein. That's so awesome. 440 calories for the whole pitcher. I'm not gonna eat the whole pitcher. Look, belly's going down. It's going down. Ha. You can't tell me that doesn't look amazing. And it tastes amazing. It tastes so good. It almost tastes like fluffy, like whipped cream, but smooth, extremely smooth, like heavy cream on top of hot cocoa. You must try this.